Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be working on giving my living room a little facelift. Just needed to freshen things up a little bit and change things over from spring. My goal is to use mostly things that I already had on hand plus a few thrifted items. So I hope you enjoy following along, and here's where we begin. I've had these in my garage for a really long time. My husband found them somewhere, so I want to make over one of these mirrors and use it on my mantle. Here's how the mantle looks right now. This was just what I did for spring, but I'm a little bored with it and ready for something new. And here are the materials I will be using for the mirror, minus the Fusion Mineral Paint because I changed my mind because it's really a plastic frame and kind of slick, so I thought DIY paint would work better. So you'll see a picture of that in a bit, and that's what I ended up using. This was a thrift store find I'm going to make over to go with my decor better. Originally a TJ Maxx find, and then I got it half off at Community Aid, so let's give it a little facelift. Our finished product. I love the texture on the vase, and it really just matches my living room so much better than the red color. And pretty much I used everything that I already had in my house and just rearranged it for something new for me. And you see the mirror here, the white wax brought out that detail really nicely, and overall I'm quite pleased. So thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you come back and watch my next video.